How to post a video on Instagram and not reel. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can post videos and not make it a reel on your Instagram. So without any further ado, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that you are using latest version of Instagram. If not, head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in Instagram. And if you see update sign here, update your app. And make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Then tap on plus icon at the bottom of the page. Here, make sure you are on post icon instead of reel tab. Select any videos that you would like to post. And once you add the videos, tap on to edit video on your bottom left. At this section, trim all the unnecessary clips of the video. Once done, tap on to arrow icon on your top right. Then tap on to share. And that is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.